What's your masturbation routine? Would you have a threesome? Do you use sex toys? OnlyFans? Are you in a relationship? How much money do you make? Did you get a BBL? So I asked you guys on Instagram to submit juicy and inappropriate questions for me to answer, and you guys did not disappoint. Hit that like button and let's go. Which of your workouts helps most being on top? This shit is tiring. I'm not a sexpert, but I think squats are pretty important because that helps to build strength in your quads and your glutes, and also hip thrusts because you're gonna be moving your hips a lot, and also you need endurance, which means you need good cardio health. So we all know what this means, right? Are you in a relationship at the moment? Yes, I'm in a relationship. Would you have a threesome? I don't think so. I just don't see how that's good for a relationship. Do you have an OnlyFans? You have OnlyFans? A sporty OnlyFans? Would you ever start an OnlyFans? OnlyFans? I'm surprised this was one of the most asked questions. There were at least 100 of them. And you know what was interesting? Is there were mostly girls asking me this question. Unfortunately, I do not have an OnlyFans. But since it's highly requested, please subscribe to onlyfans.com/chloeting. What? Someone's taken my URL? This isn't me. I guess I'll go with chloeting official. Let's go with that, alright? Subscribe to my OnlyFans and let's get to know each other. Did you get a BBL? No, and I keep getting this question. And I think it all started when I was wearing a lot more short shorts, really short shorts, and my ass cheeks were showing more, and people thought I was unnatural. But if you watch me work out in a gym, you'll know that it's real because you can see the muscle contraction when I'm lifting heavy. Maybe I should film a video of my butt, post it on OnlyFans. People can pay for it, inspect my butt, and maybe they'll stop assuming that I got a BBL. I work hard for my glutes, okay? Please don't insult my efforts. Are you rich from YouTube? Define rich. Rich means different things to different people. Am I financially stable? Yes. Could I retire comfortably though? Possibly yes. Depending on my lifestyle, whether it changes. I'm pretty simple right now, but who knows? Who knows? But I could definitely be more rich if my business model was paid programs. Obviously, my content's free for you guys, so I make money from ads on YouTube, from my merch, if you choose to pay subscription on my website. So I do appreciate the support. Thank you very much. But it's not like I'm just raking in cash here. People think that I'm loaded because I have 24 million subscribers, so automatically I have $24 million. That doesn't make any sense. I am earning money. I'm not complaining that I'm not earning money. I'm just saying that I'm not earning as much as what people think. I still have some pretty big bills to pay, and they do worry me sometimes. I guess I have to start taking up sponsorships now. Before we go on, guys, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Shots. They sent me their new open fit earbuds, which are true wireless earbuds, and they have an open ear listening design. What this means is that you get to listen to music without blocking your ears out or needing to worry about earbud covers and sizes. It fits securely over your ear with the help of these ear hooks that are really flexible, and it keeps it all comfortable and secure. I found the open ear design really useful because when I'm out and about in a city that I'm not familiar with, it's helpful being more aware of my surroundings, like being able to hear if there was a bike or vehicle behind me. I also tested these earbuds out with some hip exercises and they stayed on pretty well. If you're interested in learning more, check out the link in my description below. Your lips are so luscious. Any fillers? There were a number of comments of people saying that I got lip fillers done recently, but actually I removed it. I got lip fillers done for the last couple of years, and I just did not like how it looked eventually because fillers migrate over time, and mine migrated and it went to the top of my lips, so I got it removed, not filled in. And I think I like the look a lot better. So yeah, I removed the fillers on my top lip. Do you ever read your DMs on Instagram? And if so, how many thirsty comments are there? I do read my DMs from time to time, but obviously I can't read all of them. There used to be a lot of weird dick pics, but I think Instagram did something about that. I mean, I'm not an OnlyFans model and I'm also not on Twitch, but I only just created my OnlyFans, so who knows? Okay, I'll check if there's any thirsty messages in my last 20 messages on Instagram, but I bet there's none. Let's have a look. Now, it's just a bunch of people sending me like weird stuff. Oh, we found one. For God's sake, are you having sex? I'm sorry, but your face, he says, answer me honestly? What does that even mean? I don't think that's a thirsty comment though. That's just like a strange question. So there you go, guys. No thirsty comment. it's a pretty clean inbox. How do you really feel about fitness YouTubers? I think there's some genuinely nice fitness creators, like Bloggalatis. She's really nice and I've heard really good things about her from other people. And I don't know him, but I appreciate Mr. London because whilst I was getting hate, Mr. London was the only person who made a video about me, like defending me, while other people just stayed silent. So I really appreciate that. But other fitness YouTubers, I don't know. Like, I don't know them personally, but for the people that I know, some of them, I'm not saying all of them, they're just fake nice. I encountered a few that they would say things like, I appreciate what you do, it's really great, and let's hang out. And soon after they unfollowed me, so how do we hang out? You don't even like me. I don't care, to be honest. Have you ever thought about doing porn? Well, now that you asked Laylet Chikoti, I guess I now have to consider it. I mean, the views are gone, the comments are disappearing, my future is in porn. Tinghope.com. Have you got pregnant? Is it true you miscarried? This is the wildest question so far. Are you telling me there's rumors out there that I had a miscarriage? Please tell me where you heard this because I need to know. No, I've never been pregnant. I guess people just assumed I was pregnant. Maybe because I used to have a big belly from SIBO, or maybe because I took a break from posting videos, so maybe I got pregnant. What is your biggest regret when it comes to content creation? Not creating another channel, and also not getting enough help, which caused a lot of burnout. Help in the sense of a really good editor or a good production crew. It's just really hard to find someone that understands what I'm doing, and also finding people that are suitable for me. And also I have really high expectations, so that makes it so challenging. May I know your weight, height, waist, and hips? How big is your booty? What are your measurements? Your current weight? What is your height and weight? Your bust size? What is your weight? There's a lot of questions about my measurements. My height is 5'1". My weight now is 47 kilos, which is like 106 pounds, I think. I've been trying to gain weight in the last 5 months and I've gained close to 10 pounds now. My booty is about 36 inches, my waist is about 24 inches, and my bust is about 36. There you go, that's a lot of personal information about my body. I feel so exposed. Well, I'm trying to bulk up a little bit more. I want to get to maybe 110 pounds. Yeah, I've been packing weight. Do you ever leave the house without makeup? Yes, of course. I don't actually wear makeup to the gym, it's just for filming videos. I don't have the best skin, so it's best to go without makeup most of the time. Do you have beef with other creators? I've been on YouTube long enough to know that 90% of the beef that you see on YouTube is manufactured. So when I see someone creating a hate video about me, I don't want to give that person any attention. If I do talk about it, I always blur out the names. I'm not falling for that trap. So nope. No beef. Only vegetables and SIBOs when it comes to cooking. How have you overcome your SIBO? I have it too and I'm getting worse. I'm a lot better now. It feels like night and day. I still have stomach issues frequently, just not as bad as it used to be. I don't get major bloating anymore. This is a really big topic, so it's really hard to condense it in a segment like this. So let me know if you guys want to know more about it. Do you use sex toys? What about you? You tell me, syntactic void. Do you use sex toys? This is your juicy Q&A, isn't it? So what about you? Let me know whether you use sex toys. What's your masturbation routine? My routine? Okay, so typically I start off the day with Alright, that's it. That's a lot of questions I got through. Hope you guys enjoyed being so up close and personal with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!